From this section, you can clock in and clock out on the web and also indicate the activity you are currently working on. To make an automatic clock-in, just click on the clock-in button. This way, the input time is set up to the current time and you do not have a possibility to change it. Once you click proceed, the counter will start. On the left, you will find the button to insert the pause manually. The clock out process is similar to the one for clock in, and even in this case, the time cannot be entered manually, but you can select the duration of the break and specify the activities you have been working on. In order to allow your employees to insert the clock-in data manually, you should move to the section Company and enable this option from the administrator account. At the same time, you should decide for how many days an employee can input and change the attendance data retrospectively over time. While this option is always active for the administrator, the employee is only allowed to do it if the manual insertion option is enabled. This way, they will be able to change the clock-in or clock-out data, correct or enter new data in the attendance data section.